Right, this is for the two tossers on YouTube that took about 3 or 4 hours to take an iPhone screen apart. iPhone screws are in it. Right. It's now 19:27. I could pick this up. No wonder it took them so long, they can't get the bloody thing up. Right, you take out the SIM card.
You want to say like so, don't you?
Like so. Undo the 2 screws at the bottom. Comes with a mini screwdriver in the kit. It's really, really useful. I'm just putting it in this pink case.
You got to double check.
So that I know that it's the screws that I've just taken out. Because I wouldn't want to get mixed up, because we've never done this before. We're
You
pretty
look like
good,
Farmer
though,
Joe.
because we're tech geeks. Right, you just get a flat blade screwdriver and, oh, it's not coming up. I won't go. Just... There you go, you're tech geeks. Under a minute. Thank you. And good night.